guys, my cat's eating a baby pigeon. Look, he turned off his wing. Gosh, look at him, fatty. You can see his leg there. Oh my god. That looks disgusting. Well, I'm really more confused because we have a fir tree right there and there. I'm really more confused how he got it. Yeah? Okay. Mum's calling me. Yeah? What? Okay. Oh, no, he's gone himself. Bagheera's eating a pigeon. A baby pigeon. Look. I mean, it's really not that good, yeah. Why is it taking him so long? This is how many seconds it takes him to eat his dinner. That many seconds. Look at him. Chowing down like a king. Didn't you? That looks actually disgusting. He ate its head. Ew. Are you done? Are you done? Don't leave half-dead pigeon on our... Yeah, see, it's still got baby fins. It's a baby pigeon. Side angle. There's actually blood on his mouth. On the side. On the side. His mouth. I'm not actually sure what to say. Because I can't see... There. Yeah, my mum is living with me, so we've got dogs, but it definitely wasn't Bagheera, because Bagheera does not eat that food. But I feel like he's going to throw up after this, even though it's meat. I don't want him leaving 2 bird wings on our garden, and then leaving a tail and loads of feathers around. I mean, he's growing. He's 9. He's turning 10 next year. I'm turning 10 this year. 11 next year. And then I'm in year 6 next year. So, you disgusting beast. Look at him. Look at him. Disgusting. Sorry, I can't keep my camera still. Look. Absolutely disgusting. Yeah, you. Oi. Bagheera. 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 Look at him. Oh my god. He's eating all of that. A couple minutes ago, because I only started recording 4 minutes ago. He's eating the whole thing. He's even eating the... Bagheera's just chewing on the intestine. What? Move your fat head. What else are you gonna eat? You gonna eat the meat and the wings? yeah, he's um 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 now been 5 minutes and 14 seconds. So sorry, I tried to jump. It's getting rainbow for me. As you can see, it's quite wet outside, but there's loads of blue sky over there. It looks more beautiful in the camera actually, so that's nice. That's really nice. Okay. You still going? Gosh, you're greedy. He tries to get every last bit he possibly can. Literally. You done? Are you done? Oh, he's eating the fur. Ew. Disgusting. He likes nails. He likes toes. No, I'm joking. He does not. He just. I guess he is a claw. Oh my god, and he's going in for more. Do I need to rip the feathers out your mouth so you don't eat the feathers? Look at him. Rip the feather out. Yeah. Really, I'm on his side since he is my cat, and I've had him ever since. Well, I'm like at least about a couple months old. A couple months older than him because he's in March. March the 17th. No, I'm joking. He's a year younger than me. He's in October the 17th and the 28th. You done? Gira. He had to come here and eat it, you know? He could have ate it anywhere else, but he has to eat it in the middle, right there. I was gonna get my friend over, but now I don't want to. Now I don't want to. Just because. Fatty, aren't you? Just fatty? Tell me he doesn't. He looks cute, right? Tell me. I actually don't want to go near his mouth. So. For maintenance, fir tree nest equals dead pigeon because of kitty. Okay, now he's going to find something else. Look at him. I've been recording for almost 9 minutes. Sorry. I'm hungry. He's gone. He's gone. He's gone. Oh, I just saw him up there. Over there. So, bye.